Let's say your teeth are in bad enough shape where it's time to let them go. That's one of my favorite ways to take care of people. So what we can do is you come in, we meet you, we talk, we go over a treatment plan, we get a scan, a 3D scan that shows us your jaw structures. We have a really good process for making a new set of teeth for you where it doesn't take you that much time. Once we get our scans, we actually can take an impression digitally of your teeth. We just wave a wand around in your mouth and capture an image of your teeth. Once our lab has fabricated these temporaries, we are able to schedule an appointment where we remove the teeth the same day and we place all the implants you need at that appointment. So you literally go from having bad teeth in your mouth to having a beautiful bridge retained by implants in the same appointment. You go home and you show your loved one how much you love your teeth. They smile with you, you smile at them. After a few months of healing up, you don't have to wear the temporary anymore. We can take the temporary off now that your gums have settled and put a permanent prosthesis in. If you're out there and you already have dentures that you're not happy with, it's even faster. We don't have to wait for your gums to heal after having teeth pulled. In that situation, it's the same thing. We take a jaw scan, we take a scan or an impression of your gums. A few weeks after your scan, we have an appointment where we place the implants, attach the bridges, and send you home. You can go home and see how much you love your teeth. And maybe less than 2 months after that, we can make the permanent teeth. We don't have to wait on your gums to heal if you already had dentures. It's a wonderful process. It's a very predictable procedure, and our patient satisfaction is absolutely amazing. If you're out there and you're wondering what Implant Solutions can do for you, give us a call. We can do this for you.